Topic: Mercy and ease in Islam. Wiping over khuffs. Hadith Chapter 48. Part 2. Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. In this video, we will learn the lessons and wisdom from Hadith Chapter 48 about wiping over khuffs and how this sunnah shows the mercy and ease of Islam. This is part 2 of our Hadith series. Islam is not a religion of difficulty. Islam is a religion of mercy, ease, and wisdom. Today, let us learn a beautiful sunnah of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, that shows how Allah made worship easy for us. In part 1, we shared authentic hadiths that clearly show the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to wipe over his khuffs during ablution. Now let us understand what lessons we learn from this sunnah. Lesson 1. Allah loves ease for his servants. This hadith teaches us that Allah does not want hardship for us. Islam understands our daily life, travel, cold weather, work, tiredness and illness. That is why Allah allowed ease in worship without reducing reward and without reducing obedience. Wiping over khuffs is not laziness. It is a mercy from Allah. Lesson 2. Follow the sunnah with understanding. True love for the Prophet, peace be upon him, is following his sunnah correctly and wisely. Islam does not teach us to make religion heavy. Islam teaches balance, ease, and knowledge. When we follow the sunnah properly, our worship becomes easier, and our hearts become closer to Allah. Lesson 3. Do not make religion difficult. The Prophet, peace be upon him, always chose ease when Allah allowed it. So we should not make Islam difficult, for ourselves or for others. Calling people to Islam should be done with kindness, mercy, and wisdom. Practical reminder: learn the sunnah. Practice it correctly. Teach it gently. Remember, ease in Islam is also a blessing from Allah. May Allah grant us understanding of his religion, love for the sunnah, and the ability to worship him with sincerity and ease. Dear brothers and sisters, if you benefited from this reminder, please like, share, and subscribe to support this channel. JazakAllahu Khairan for watching. And remember, keep smiling, because smiling is a sunnah.